So, oh. What is this? Oh, I'm showing this on $27. I mean, is it worth it? Yes. Hold on, before I get too excited.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hello, my darlings. Sorry for the mess. I was editing the video and realized that I didn't do an intro. So I stopped by Burlington to get some housewares as we are just preparing the house for visitors. But as per usual with Burlington, you just never know what you're gonna find. And so just want to do a shop with me, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts on this particular Burlington. All right, real quickly, I want to just look through the blue. So this is Nicole Miller. I like that with the edges. $12. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's nice. So I'll look through the blue because we didn't see any blue at the other one. It's pretty. So I guess blue is not new. I'm gonna go to Sawgrass. I feel like they'll, well, who knows, because sometimes Sawgrass is a bust and sometimes it's amazing. It's pretty. $9.99. It's really pretty. It feels wonderful. It's nice. It's pretty. Something here for your shoes, juicy. Oh, okay. Now you guys know this. I don't like this. I feel like somebody should be around here. What's this? BC Baby. These are nice. The black in the back. Oh, it's cute. $29.99. Those are nice. Let's see. Yeah, they're putting the boots out now. Let's go into our size. Looks a little light. A little light in our size, guys. Oh, got some fringe boots. Who are these? 9 West. Oh, 9 West, and they are, oh, pants. They're $17. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's put them right here. Let's see. I saw these Steve Madden. Let me see these. The other Burlington, $34.99. Let's see, is there anything? Riley's favorite Stitch. These are nice. Don't need to get another sandal child. Not another sandal. Oh, what's this? Yellow or orange? Yeah. Okay. That's it for me. I was walking away and look at these. Who are these? Oh, hold on, who are these? I can't tell, and they don't have a price. Hold on, I can't even open them up. Like, they're so entangled, and you guys know how I feel about an alarm, but look at those. Absolutely stunning. Oh my darling, so let's look at, I really need to be looking at workout pants. But ever since I got those pants at, what do you call it, Marshall's? Those Athleta pants. I'm just gonna go back there because they have been doing my body good. Oh, Bally, oh my gosh, what happened to Bally Fitness? $7.99. Let's see, what's this? 1X, let me get out of 1X, hold on. We are doing, oh! Camel pants, $9.99. Oh, okay. So let's put that right there. Do we see any more? This is 3X. I don't see any more of these wide legged sequin pants. The only thing with them is that, like the inner thigh, like I don't know how that goes, but let's try this on because they have them in black. Let's try all of these on actually. Let's see, is there anything else that we want to see? Let me just put this right here so that we can do some looking. I did not bring a cart. I did not get a cart. Oh, look at this. You know what? Let me go ahead and try that on. I need to go get a cart. I did not come in here for this. Oh, this looks like mommy. Mama fangle dangles. I'm gonna see that when I'm in the stores a lot, so I need to process and get used to that, you know? Yeah. Look at this. London. Black white. I have a London, so this is a 1X. Was that a 1X? I don't know what size that was, but I'm definitely gonna get this. Let me see. I'm going to 3Xs. Oh, look at this. That's nice. How much is it? These are $19.99. Not bad. Let's see. It's a pretty print. Old Navy sweater. Detailed. $4.79. Wow. This color. Let's see if you can see the color. There we go. You see the color? That is pretty. I wonder if this would go with the camouflage. Let me see, let me show you the color right there. Let's try it out. Let me go get a cart. I'm playing myself. Oh, I wanted to see if they have that sweater in a 3X. They do. Yeah, we're getting this. And then we're gonna go get a cart. Because I played myself, not getting a cart. Oh, look at that. Ooh, what's this? This is H&M, $12.79. It's a small though. It's a small. What are these pants by? More workout pants. It's $9.79, and then they have a size 20. $3.99. Ooh. Come on, another good deal, darling. Size of 4XL. We'll try it on. Just some opaque tights. I have these, I believe. Old Navy, $13.99. All right, I did not come in here for this. So I went to go get a cart, and on the way back, look at this. 9 West velvet. This is so pretty. $34.99. Columbia. When I was in London, I was like, I want one of these. I saw so many people in them, you know what I mean? This is nice and Klein. This is $39.99. Nice. This is pretty. $59.99. Oh, look at that. Ooh. $49.99. Who is this? Cliche. Oh, you know I want a pattern mix that real bad. I'm gonna go look at my size. Let me go look at my size. Cocoa blue. That's really pretty. Let's see. Let's see if there's anything. Let's go around actually, because there seems to be some on the other side. Calvin Klein. Philosophy. That's pretty. What's this? Oh, look at that. I got no business looking at this. Extra large. the price on this? Ooh. The price on this is $29.99. Doesn't say what it was. That is so good. That is good. I love that. Absolutely love that. What's that? That's pretty too. Let's go around. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. What is all this? Ooh, what is this? I see something wrong. Ooh, okay. Let me not get distracted, which I already am. Truth by Republic. This is on sale for $34.99. $39.99. This is Tahari. See if there's anything. Tommy Hilfiger. I love this. You button it there, so it's button on both sides. Oh, that's beautiful. $45. We got some good coats, guys. On our way back to Plus. I keep on getting distracted. This is pretty. This is Truly For You. And this is $16.99. That's pretty. Oh. Okay. The party outfit, $19.99. Taylor, $34.99. It's pretty for the fall. A little faux suede, $24.99. It's pretty. This is nice. This is something that you wear as a slip dress. I love a slip dress with a moto jacket. I love that. Clean and classic. Clean and classic. All right, this isn't even my size. I got caught up. I got caught up looking at prints. This is nice. It's really pretty. Beautiful print. All right, so I'm back in Plus. $29.99. Have no business looking at this. So they have jackets to go with those pants. This is a 1XL. Oh, oh, oh! What is this? Oh, I'm trying this on. $27. Oh, honey, is it worth it? Yes. Hold on, before I get too excited. That's cute. I'll try this on. I'll try this on for you guys. I don't think they have the gold. I don't think they have the gold. Just gold pants I picked up, right? Yeah. Sparkle. Sparkle, sparkle. Winnie the Pooh. Yeah, so nothing. Now we're more in the tops. Let me see anything. It's a nice print pattern mix. Very nice for my walks. It's $12.99. Stay golden. Love that. Okay. Take into consideration that I'm wearing a crop top because I'm wearing wide leg pants today. So the jacket is a 3X, but the pants are a 2X. And I thought they would feel weird with the sequins between my thighs, but I don't really feel them. Let me show you from the side. So this is a 2X. Of course, I'd want it to be more of a wide leg situation. So I may go to another Burlington because I kind of like this. As a set, I would roll up the sleeves. Let me see, hold on. Hold on, guys. Fix my hair. Yeah, if the pants were wider, this would be a cute little New Year's situation. right? And I think this was 24, this was 24, so 50 for the set. It's pretty. Guys, I tussled with these, you hear me? No. Check this out. I kind of love this. If these were wide legs, so I have on the London sweatshirt with the gold or the cream sequin pants. Forget the shoes, don't look at the shoes. But I kind of like this. This is kind of a vibe, right? If they were wider though, these fit wider than the other ones though. I need to check if these are a 3X, but I kind of love the navy blue with the sequin. Kind of digging it. I don't know why. Sometimes you don't need to know why. If you feel it, you feel it, and that's it. And I'm feeling this. Guys, I need a 3X. The thing is all the way back here. The pocket. Oh. I mean, I could fudge a 2X, you know. You can FUX with a 2X, okay? But, oh, this is so good. The little button detail. Even with this, with the little crop. Hold on, let me play with the sleeves. 1 second. Guys. Oh. No, I need a 3X. I mean, I'm coming down, okay? She's slimming down. She's walking her way to better health. So, it feels so good. But you know, I'm gonna put, you know, like a turtleneck or something over it. I need a 3X. I could get it and then return it if I don't find the 3X. So basically, we're going to all the Burlingtons in the land this week so that I can find this in a 3X. I'm gonna go to Burlington tomorrow. If I don't find it, we're coming back with this 2X. I don't care, because this is the bee's knees. The bee's knees. Okay, so this is what I came for. We have people coming in from out of town, and so I just went through the house and just my husband's like, are you okay? I just started throwing stuff out. So that being said, I threw out pillows. I threw out the pillows because of course they they just needed throwing out. But Burlington to me has like the best prices on king. As you can see, this is 20, the 2 of them, cooling, which we need, South Florida. But we need some for the spare bedroom and blow-up bed. I could just go to Target, but I feel like these just feel better. Oh, you know what I want to look at? Let's look at comforters. Let's see. Ooh, right off the bat, I see something that I like. This is a queen. This is a set comforter, pillow shams. That's nice. That's really nice. Yeah, $50 for that. That's really nice. Talia Sodi, 7-piece. How much is this? $50. That's really nice. Place favorite comforter queen. Not that you need a comforter here, but you know what I mean? Because we have the AC on blast, so. Oh. All right, so needless to say, we will be going to another Burlington this week. I don't know when or how, but I need that animal print coat in a 3X, and I need those camouflage pants. Sorry, my husband's cooking dinner. And I need those camouflage pants in a 24. Because they were a little tight getting on. They were perfect at the bottom, but the top was horrible. And then let me know what you think about the blue sweater and the sequin pants. I kind of loved it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.